Ready na ba ang mga Kapampangan for a major sports shopping upgrade? Mas naging exciting ang sports and active lifestyle scene sa Pampanga sa pagbubukas ng Sports Direct sa Marquee Mall, bringing its wide selection of sportswear, footwear, equipment, and lifestyle essentials closer to local athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and everyday active Filipinos. Known for carrying a wide range of international brands, Sports Direct offers shoppers more options whether you're into running, basketball, badminton, swimming, at marami pang iba, including ang kinahuhumalingan ng marami, pickleball. Kompleto sila dito. Pero hindi lang ito tungkol sa bagong store. Para sa mga Kapampangan, ang opening ay dagdag access sa mga produkto na pwedeng maging part ng kanilang active lifestyle. Mula sa first pair of running shoes, bagong workout fit, hanggang sa gear para sa weekend sports with friends. Dahil mas nagiging lifestyle na rin ang fitness ngayon, bagay na bagay ang concept sa bagong generation of shoppers na gusto ng functional pero fresh, performance ready pero fashion forward. Whether you're a certified gym girly, weekend runner, basketball player, aspiring athlete, or someone na biglang nagde-decide na starting today, healthy lifestyle na talaga. Uy, may something to check out sa Sports Direct. Sa pagdating ng Sports Direct dito sa Marquee Mall, mas lumalapit sa Kapampangan community ang global sports retail experience kung saan mas nagiging accessible ang gear sa bawat galaw, bawat goal, at bawat bagong challenge. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.